Namaste everyone. The question is, a square sheet of paper is folded along its diagonal to form an isosceles right triangle, and then hypotenuses are folded successively 2 times to form isosceles right triangles. If the length of each equal side is 10 cm after the third folding, what was the initial area of the sheet? Okay, so after the third folding, we will get an isosceles right triangle, correct? So what will be the area? Area of triangle will be 1 by 2 into base into height, and it is already given 10 centimeter. So it will be 1 by 2 into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So 100 centimeter square by 2, and we will get 50 centimeter square. So this will be the area of triangle, correct? Now we need to calculate the area of square sheet paper, right? So area of square will be S square, right? When we first fold it diagonally, then area will reduce by half. So area of triangle after first fold, it will be 1 by 2 into area of a square, that is S square, or we can say area of square. Okay, now again we will fold it, means second fold. So after second fold, again area will reduce by half, correct? So it will be 1 by 2 of area of this triangle, what we get after first fold, or so it will be 1 by 2 into area of square, or we can say directly 1 by 4 into area of square. After third fold, again reduce 1 by 2, so we can say 1 by 8 area of square, correct? That means from here we can say the area of square will be equal to 8 into area of third, like what we get after third folding, triangle, right? Triangle that we got after third folding. So this is the area of triangle, correct? So it will be 8 into 50 centimeter square, 400 centimeter square. So option 3 will be the correct option. I hope you like the video. Please hit a thumbs up, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.